Fear-free English Club. Ooh, ooh.
Tall, grande, venti, and then they ask what milk, and my brain just leaves the building.
If that's you, stay with us. In about 20 minutes, you'll be able to order without translating in your head, and you'll have one rescue line that saves you every time.
Please, I need coffee and confidence.
Welcome back to Fear-Free English Club. This is the podcast for people who understand English but freeze when it's time to speak.
And today we're doing a classic fear zone, the coffee shop.
Yes, coffee shop English. Order like a local.
The place where my brain turns into steamed milk.
Perfect. And listeners, tiny promise. By the end, you'll be able to say one clean order sentence. No panic, no just simple English. Ready?
Okay, true story. I walk into a coffee shop, there's a line, people behind me, pressure. The barista smiles and goes, "Hi, what can I get started for you?" And I'm like, "Great, normal, easy. Coffee, I can do this." Then they ask, "What size?" And my brain goes, blank, because the menu says tall, grande, venti, and I'm standing there thinking tall is small, right? Or tall is tall. And then they hit me with, "What milk?" And I hear oat, soy, almond, skim, whole, half and half. And suddenly I'm not ordering coffee, I'm taking a surprise exam. So I panic and say, "I want a coffee, big, with normal milk?" And the barista goes, "So a grande latte with whole milk?" And I just nod like, yes, that's exactly what I meant. But inside I'm like, what did I just agree to?
Ben, that is so real. And listen, this is not you being bad at English. That's pressure. That's speed. That's too many choices at once. If you've ever nodded yes to a drink you didn't understand, you're not alone, okay?
Thank you, because I used to think, why can't I do a simple thing? Like, I can talk about my job, I can watch movies, but coffee, I turn into a silent statue.
Yep. And today we fix that. Not with perfect grammar, but with fear-free survival language. Quick truth. Freezing is normal. When you feel watched, your brain tries to be safe, and it shuts down. The goal is not never freeze. The goal is when I freeze, I know what to say next.
Because silence feels so loud in a coffee shop.
Yes, and here's good news. You don't need many words. You need a few short lines that buy time, restart, and keep the conversation moving. Think of them like seatbelts. You hope you don't need them, but they're there, right?
Yes, I want a seatbelt for my mouth.
And one more reassurance. Coffee shops are busy. People hesitate all day. You are not a problem. You're just a human ordering a drink, okay? Here's today's 3-line toolkit. Super simple. Line 1, the time buyer. Just a second, let me think. Line 2, the rescue line. Sorry, can I say that again? Line 3, the natural reply line. What do you recommend?
That last one is magic, because now the barista helps you.
Exactly. And here's your finish line for today. By the end of this episode, you can say this one sentence smoothly. Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
That's the goal sentence.
Yes, simple, clean, repeatable. Let's build your order like Lego blocks, one small piece at a time. Block 1 is the key phrase, can I get a?
Instead of I want.
Yes, I want isn't wrong, but it can sound a little direct. Can I get a is friendly, normal, and fast.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Nice. And quick pattern interrupt. Tourist English versus local English. Tourist English, I want a coffee. Local English, can I get a coffee, please? Same meaning, different vibe, you know?
Same coffee, more confidence.
Now, 3 questions you will hear in most coffee shops. Not every time, but very often. Question 1, what size? Question 2, hot or iced? Question 3. What milk?
It already feels less scary when it's just 3.
Let's make it interactive. Quick pick. Choose one size right now. Small, medium, or large.
Medium. Medium feels safe.
Perfect. And yes, if the menu has tall and grande, you can still say small, medium, large. Most places understand.
Wait, you can do that?
Yes, you do not need secret code.
Okay, milk. This is where my brain screams.
Then we go simple. You can say, just regular milk, please. Or oat milk, please. Soy milk, please. Almond milk, please.
What does whole milk mean?
Good question. Whole milk is normal milk with more fat. Example, whole milk, please.
And skim is less fat?
Yes, skim is very low fat. Quick meanings. Whole equals full fat. Skim equals low fat.
Thank you. Short and clear.
Hi, what can I get you started for you?
Hi, I want coffee.
Tiny upgrade. Instead of I want, try can I get a.
Okay. Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure, what size?
Big.
That's okay. Let's make it easy. Small, medium, or large.
Large, please. Like large.
Great. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
And what milk?
Normal milk.
Say just regular milk, please.
Just regular milk, please. Thanks.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Great. Name for the order?
Ben.
Thanks, Ben.
Wow, that felt so much better.
It was normal. And listeners, notice this. Ben made a small mistake, corrected it, and the world did not end. Confidence is not perfect English. Confidence is recovery, right?
Right. Recovery is the superpower. But what if I forget the word latte, or I don't know a word like foam?
Then we use your natural reply line. Ask a simple question back. What do you recommend? Or what's popular here?
What's popular mean?
Popular means many people like it. Many people buy it. Example, what's popular here?
Great. Easy.
And if you start wrong like I want and you feel embarrassed, that's exactly why we have today's rescue line. Fear-free rescue line of the day is, sorry, can I say that again?
That is so useful because it's not dramatic, it's calm.
Exactly. It buys you a clean restart. 2 alternates, also great. Alternate 1, sorry, let me try again. Alternate 2, sorry, one more time.
I like let me try again. It feels brave.
Repeat after me time. Slow and clear. Repeat after me. Ready? Sorry, can I say that again?
Sorry, can I say that again?
Good. Again, a little slower. Sorry, can I say that again?
Sorry, can I say that again?
Great. Now alternate 1. Sorry, let me try again.
Sorry, let me try again.
And alternate 2. Sorry, one more time.
Sorry, one more time.
Beautiful. Keep these ready. They're your safety net, okay?
Seatbelt for my mouth secured.
Okay, now we do real practice. Not perfect, real life.
Great, because real life is where I glitch.
Exactly. And we're going to show recovery, not perfection. 2 rounds. Round 1 is messy. Round 2 is better. And listeners, tiny job for you. Say the time buyer out loud once before we start. Just a second. Let me think.
Just a second. Let me think.
Nice. Let's go. Round 1, more freezing plus more corrections. Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi. Can I... Just a second. Let me think.
Of course, take your time.
Okay. Sorry, can I say that again?
Yes, no problem.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What size?
Tall. Wait, that didn't sound right. Tall is small or tall is tall?
It's confusing. You can just say small, medium, or large.
Okay. Medium. Medium, please.
Great. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What milk would you like?
I don't know. Normal? Just regular milk is fine.
Perfect. Any sugar?
1 sugar, please. Wait, 1 sugar, that's okay, right?
Yes, 1 sugar is totally normal.
Okay, 1 sugar, please.
Anything else?
Can I get a cookie? A cookie or 1 cookie?
Both work. A cookie is fine.
Okay, a cookie too, please.
Great. Name for the order?
Ben.
Thanks, Ben. That'll be ready soon.
Thank you. Wow, that was messy, but I survived.
That's the win. You used a time buyer, you restarted, and you kept going.
And the barista was not angry.
Exactly. Most baristas are used to this. People hesitate all day.
I always imagine they're judging my whole personality.
That's the anxiety story, not reality. Quick mini practice before round 2. Listeners, say your goal sentence with us, slow first. Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Nice. Now one step faster, but still clear. Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Perfect. Now round 2. Round 2, improved performance and smoother recovery. Hi there, what can I get you?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Great. What milk would you like?
Oat milk, please.
Any sugar today?
No thanks.
Anything else?
Yeah, can I get a cookie too?
Absolutely. Name for the order?
Ben.
Great, Ben. That'll be ready soon.
Thank you. Wow, that felt smooth, like I didn't even panic.
Because you used simple words, you didn't fight the menu. You chose medium. And your sentence order was clean. Drink, size, milk.
And if they say something long, I can just go, can I get a?
Exactly. That's your anchor.
Communication beats perfection.
Yes. And here's your confidence statement for today. You don't need perfect English. You need a next line.
I love that. Next line, not perfect line.
Quick cultural insight. This works in many busy coffee shops, not just in one country. When a place is fast, silence can feel awkward, so people use tiny filler sounds and phrases. Yeah, just a second. No thanks, that's it. It's not bad English, it's normal human English.
So when I say, just a second, let me think, I sound normal.
Yes, calm and normal.
Not like a robot reading a script.
Exactly. And one more helpful truth. Locals often keep it simple. Simple is not childish. Simple is efficient.
I feel like that line should be on a poster.
Simple is efficient, right?
Right. Also, pointing is still allowed.
Pointing is allowed, smiling is allowed, and if you forget a word, you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
And suddenly, it's a conversation, not a test.
Rapid review. 5 phrases from today. Repeat after us, slow and clear. Phrase 1. Can I get a latte, please?
Can I get a latte, please?
Phrase 2. Medium, please.
Medium, please.
Phrase 3. Just regular milk, please.
Just regular milk, please.
Phrase 4. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Phrase 5. Just a second. Let me think.
Just a second. Let me think.
And one rescue line. Sorry, can I say that again?
Sorry, can I say that again?
Pronunciation tip. Can I get a? In fast, natural speech, it becomes smooth and connected. Can I get a sounds a bit like can I get a?
Can I get a latte?
Yes, connected, friendly. Don't force it, just let it flow.
It's like the sentence has a little rhythm.
Exactly. That rhythm helps you speak faster without panic. Fear-free challenge for today. Do this. Write one simple coffee order sentence in the comments using "Can I get a?" One sentence. That's it.
Example, can I get a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Perfect. And if you're brave, write the sentence you're afraid to say in English. We'll help you make it simple and natural.
Because we love fixing panic sentences.
We do. Optional, super easy question, one line. What's your usual drink? Coffee, tea, or hot chocolate?
And if your answer is water, we still accept you.
We do. No judgment. And before we go, please follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. If this helped you feel calmer, like it, share it, and send it to one person who freezes in English. And remember, you don't need perfect English to live your life. You just need a next line when your brain goes blank.
And now you have it.
You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Try speaking today, even one small sentence. Mistakes are allowed.
See you next time.